So, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm actually gonna install new side skirts on my F30 because the old one, as you remember from the winter, they broke down when I was drifting with my car. They cracked and everything. So I actually found a cheap one on eBay for like 80 bucks. They're not OEM, but they looks like OEMs, but they look the shape of it is not the same, but the shape when it's mounted is gonna look like it was OEM. You're gonna understand what I mean. And I'm not sure if they look good on the pictures, but I'm a little bit skeptical again. I don't know why I just not buying a replica of the OEM ones, but here I am buying the cheapest stuff again for some reason. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do today, and if you like car content, you should subscribe and like and share so more find this YouTube channel. And we are also closing up to 1,000 subscribers, and that's also gonna make me making money from my videos, to make sure to subscribe. So here they are. As you can see, it has like the shape of OEM, but the thing is, it's not flat on the inside. It looks like something like this. And if I move this outside, so it looks something like this. I guess it looks, I don't know, I don't know how it looks from the distance, but I think it looks better than old ones. It doesn't stick out that much, so I think I will try those, and let's see if they hold up. And you're also getting those self-tappers. Looks like this. In my opinion, it looks pretty long. But if the seller says this is gonna work, it's probably gonna work. So let's try it out. You're gonna put one here. And the last one in the front. Like between where I have the yak stand. If I can fit between here. No, I cannot. You know what? 5 will do. 5 will do. I don't think they're gonna fall off. And if they do, we buy new ones again. Let's remove the plastic. It looks amazing. Looks pretty good. Let's do the other side. Just gonna time lapse the other side. the side skirts are on. I'm gonna show you a more nice montage later. Other fix I have to do is my registration plate in the back. As you can see, it's hanging, and the reason why is because I have lost the frame here. This is supposed to be a plastic frame here, and my solution is gonna be, I don't know if it's called carbon in English. Anyway, you see what it is. It's double-sided and it's just gonna stick there. I think I'm gonna buy a better frame, like magnetic, and I also gonna swap out those emblems because the pin on this has, I don't know how, but it cracked. And in the front, the color is starting to fade away. That's what you get when you're buying copy, like cheap copies. But maybe if I put like clear coat on it before I put it on, maybe it would hold up. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna swap back to the OEM ones because they still look good, but it's just boring. So that's what I'm gonna do now before it starts to rain, because the sun just disappeared and it has been raining for like 10 days in a row here. So I haven't been able to wash my cars. I need to wash that car, and I need to wash this car again because it's dusty and it's a lot of insect on it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Looks more clean and looks great from here. The bad thing is it's still in there. So I have removed the old one too. I just used a plastic tool to bend it up, and this one was held with double-sided tape, and I think the back, old one, it sticks to those pins. And look how poor this quality was. I have just scratched it a little bit with my thumb, and the color just falling off. The white color is falling off. That's how bad the quality of those was. So when you buy stuff from eBay, don't expect it to be good because you're paying like nothing for those emblem. But I was happy with my purchase. It held up for like almost 2 years. So I'm not disappointed, but man, the quality. And look at this. This is not even brand new. This is just the OEM one. And this one has traveled 4 years before I bought the car. And it still looks brand new. Incredible. So let's put this back. Oh, I'm gonna remove the tape first. So the old one is back. It looks really nice with the silver one. I actually like this more. I don't know why I swapped it. I mean, the anniversary ones, they are cool. But for silver car, the OEM one just looks so much better for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, now we're gonna clean up here, go and take some nice videos of my car with the new side skirts, and yeah, so enjoy the montage. That's how the new side skirts looks like. And now you probably know what I meant, like the look likes the OEM one, but they also don't. Because the shape of it was so different, but when they are put on the car, it looks very good. I'm pretty happy with the look now. It's just going out a little bit, and also it's like curved, so it goes like inwards like that. And I like that look much more than the old look I had before. And I must say, my F30 looks very good with all the pieces on now. The only sad thing is it's so slow, but it looks great with the lip, with the side skirt, the wing, the diffuser, the wheels, the mirrors, the tinted windows. I wish it was blue though, because I think F30 should be blue or white. That's a really nice color. And yeah, I wish I had more money, because I really want to put on exhaust and air filter, air intake, sports air intake, and stage 1, so you can get 284 horsepower instead of 184. And I know the B48, even if it has 4-cylinder, it can sound pretty cool, even if it's just 4-cylinder car. So I think I want to keep this car for a bit longer, even if I was thinking about to sell it, but I think I'm gonna keep it because I really like the look of the car. It looks so good. I'm so proud of this car. Even if it is a slow car, it is at least a good looking slow car. Yeah. And I think in one of the next videos, I'm gonna put on a banner on the front window. But anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I really want to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can apply to making money from ads, and that will is going to help my YouTube channel so much. So see you next time.